A-level Welsh left me with a great basis in the language, but with so many other subjects going on as well, the course just couldn't afford the most important thing that languages need: amser. There just wasn't enough time and enough confidence in myself, to be honest, for me to force myself to use Cymraeg out in the wild, and I just didn't get a chance to hone my skills and to pick up spoken Welsh. By the time I got to university, studying only Welsh and a bit of Breton and Irish, I just couldn't escape fluency. But the paths of many Welsh learners these days doesn't take them to a degree in Welsh, so it's down to me to disclose some of those useful little cheat phrases to get you up to speed with the cool Cymraegers and what they're saying these days. You're welcome. The first word is METHU. Now, Welsh learners will look at this and see the verb to fail, but nowadays it's so much more than that. The English phrase "I can't" employs 5 letters, 1 apostrophe and 1 space. In book Welsh, "I can't" is ni allaf, which is just way too posh for modern Welsh. Chances are you've been taught dydw I ddim yn gallu. Now that's 14 letters, F and V are 1 letter, remember? And 4 spaces. Some people use MEDRU instead of gallu. There is a proper difference, but I won't go into that now. Okay, I will. Gallu is more like an ability to do something. MEDRU is kind of like to possess the knowledge and the skills to be able to do something. So, dwi'n gallu chwarae, I can play. Dwi'n medru siarad Cymraeg, I possess the skills and therefore the ability to speak Welsh. Easy, right? But I digress. Wait. Yeah, I can't. Dydw I ddim yn gallu. Way too long. For a phrase so important in everyday language, Welsh is in danger of just taking too long to say stuff. Here's where METHU comes in. Dwi methu mynd. I am failing to go. Or, I can't go. Dwi methu mynd. Look how much easier this is. I'd be tempted to not place "yn" before METHU, but as always with little intricacies like these, no one cares. O'n i methu weld dim. I was failing to see anything. I couldn't see anything. O'n i methu gweld dim. Dwi methu dod, sorry. I'm failing to come, sorry. Or I can't come, sorry. Dwi methu dod, sorry. Fydd o methu gorffen y gwaith. He will fail to finish the work, or he won't be able to finish the work. Fydd o methu gorffen y gwaith. Oh, swn I methu wneud hynna. I would fail to do that. I couldn't do that. Swn I methu wneud hynna. Dyn ni methu chwarae. We're failing to play. We can't play. Dyn ni methu chwarae. In sentences like nes I fethu'r bus, methu can also be to miss as well. So I missed the bus, nes I fethu'r bus. Southerners may hear filly or faily, stolen from the word to fail in English, of course. Fi ffili weld e. I can't see him. Fi ffili weld e. I'm not going to apologise for that accent. My second word today is heb. Now, to those whose minds only possess dictionary Welsh, heb is the preposition without. Gai baned heb lefrith, please. Can I have a cuppa without milk, please? Gai baned heb lefrith, please. But delve a little deeper and this word can cover all of your negative perfect tense needs. I love this one. A sentence like dwi heb fod would look to a learner like I am without being. And to be fair, the learner would be correct. But Welsh speakers would interpret this as I haven't been. All of a sudden it's proper useful, right? The only pain in the arse thing here is that prepositions cause soft mutations in Welsh, and heb, even though we're not technically using it here as a preposition, will still cause a soft mutation. And guess what evil awaits you if you forget to perform a soft mutation following heb? Nothing, because no one cares. Dwi heb wneud e eto, sorry. I'm without doing it yet, sorry. I haven't done it yet, sorry. Dwi heb wneud e eto, sorry. Dwi heb orffen. I haven't finished. Dwi heb fynd ar bins allan. I haven't taken the bins out. Ooh, o'n I heb treiglo. I hadn't mutated. Oeddwn ni heb sgwennu dim byd. We hadn't written anything. Fydden nhw heb weld hi. They won't have seen her. Fydden nhw heb weld hi. Dwi methu deud bo fi heb drio. I'm failing to say that I'm without trying. Well, can't say I haven't tried. Dwi methu deud bo fi heb drio. Look, it's easy enough to watch silly videos like these and feel like you've done something good with your Welsh. Believe you me, listening to anything I say will only hinder anyone's mental capacity. Your job now is to use these 2 words. Why not write 3 sentences for each on your phone's notes app or on pen and paper? Do people still use those? Make a phrase and tell someone. Tell yourself. Tweet it. Post it in the comments below. Something like, dwi methu standio dy lais, perhaps. I can't stand your voice. Dwi methu standio dy lais.